Hello, good afternoon everyone. I am Rupavani. I am a maths teacher. Today I would like to give a demo on mathematics, that is for class 4, and then my topic is geometry. Okay, what is a geometry? Geometry is derived from the Greek word. Okay, geo means earth, metron means measurement. So we have two types of geometry. One is a plane geometry, another one is a solid geometry. So what is a plane geometry? Can anyone have any idea about that? So in the previous classes you already learnt about the plane geometry, that is a shapes. Okay, the geometry has two types. Geometry has two types. One is a plane geometry, and then another one is a solid geometry. Okay, plane geometry 2D. 2D means what? D means dimensional. Very good. And then 3D means what? Three dimensional. So we have two types of geometry, that is plane geometry and another one is solid geometry. Plane geometry you already learnt about the shapes in previous classes. See, for example, I can say circle, then square, and then triangle, then rectangle. Very good. Then what is this here? See here, this is the circle, isn't it? Can you tell me one example of circle? Ball. Very good. Ball is the example of circle. Now tell me the square. Can anyone tell me the square of example? Like bread. Very good. Bread is the one example. Okay. Then triangle. Can you tell me the example of a triangle? Sandwich. Very good. Sandwich, and then piece of pizza. One slice of pizza is also a triangle. Very good. Now what is this shape? Rectangle, isn't it? So the example of a rectangle is whiteboard, and then your classroom as well, isn't it? Your classroom, how your classroom look like? Rectangular shape only. Very good. So this board is the another example of rectangular shape. Okay, then now what is the solid geometry? That is a 3D shape. 3D shape means, what is the example of 3D shape? Can you tell me? Yes, one is the cube, cuboid, and then cone. Very good. Cube, cuboid, and cone is the examples of 3D shapes. Very good. See here, this is the face. This is called as face. This is called as edge, and then this is called as vertex. Okay, we have the example of here mother's jewelry box. This is the example of mother jewelry. See here, she can keep anything inside. So this is the example of cube. See, we have how many faces here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 faces, and then 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12. Okay, then vertex. 8 vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 6 faces, 12 edges, and then 8 vertex. So this is the best example of. Can you tell me one more example of cube? One more example means Rubik's cube. You will all play Rubik's Cube. Okay, Rubik's Cube is the one example. And then cuboid. Cuboid, what is the cuboid? Cuboid also same faces, edges and vertex. Can you tell me one more example of cuboid? Matchbox. Very good. Matchbox is the one example of cuboid. Okay, then next, cone. Cone. Cone, what you wear in your birthday parties? All of you are excited, no, in your birthdays. Then what you wear always in your head? Yes, birthday cap. Birthday cap. And then ice cream cone, and then carrot. These are the examples of cone. These are the examples of cone. And then next we will go to the main topic, that is the point. What is a point? Can you tell me what is a point? A point is an definite position. A point is a definite position. Can you give me one more example of this one? Like a Google map. Very good. Very good. What is that? A Google map. See how it looks like a Google map? Like this, no? So, Google Maps is the exact point, definite position. See, A is the current location and B is the where your destination location. See, whenever if you want to go for a cab, what you do? You book for a cab, no? So, A means here current location, here B means your destination location. So, exact points is there. So, that is called as point. Okay, then line segment. Line segment. See, line segment has no end points. Line segment has end points. Like, see here, AB. Can you tell me one example of line segment? Bridge. Bridge has one end point, no? See here, starting from here to end point. Bridge has some end points. Okay, so that's why bridge is the example of line segment. Now, do you understand now what is a point means? Point is a definite position where you can reach the destinations, that is like a Google map. Line segment means a line segment has end points, that is the example of a bridge. Now we'll learn about line. What is a line now? Line has no end points. A line has no end points. Why a line has no end points? Can you tell me? Can you tell me any example of a line? Like railway track. Railway track. See, for railway track, it keep on moves, no? See here, it keep on moves, keep on goes. And road also, it keep on goes. It doesn't have end points. So this is the example of a line, like this, AB, and then one more thing, ray. Ray has a starting point and doesn't have end point. See, for example, we can say sun, isn't it? Sun is a starting point, isn't it? Sun is a starting point and sunshine doesn't have end points, isn't it? A ray has a starting point but doesn't have end points. Well, can you give one more example of that? Torchlight. Torchlight also, the light is there, no? That has a starting point but that rays doesn't have end points. So, I think all of you are clear about that. What is a line? what is a point, what is a line segment, and then what is a ray. Now we'll go to the angles. Angle. What is an angle? An angle is a combination of two rays. An angle is a combination of two rays. Combination of two rays. See here. I will show an angle is a combination of two rays like this. See here. It will come like this. Okay. This one. This is the point A, point B, and then point O. Okay. So this is called as angle, and then this is called as a ray, and then this is also called as a ray. See here. This is ray 1, ray 2 we can call. Okay. Here ray 1 and ray 2, where it is meeting O, isn't it? So that is called as an angle is a combination of two rays. See here, two rays is joining in one side. Okay, this is called as vertex. Then how you will write an angle? Angle AOB. Always remember that O should be in the middle. Okay, O should be in the middle. Angle AOB. Angle AOB we can call or we can write. But we won't write OBA. Isn't it? We won't write OBA. So we always write angle AOB. Always O in the middle of the point. Okay. And then the symbol is denoted as, the symbol is denoted as degree, like this. Degree. The symbol is denoted as degree, and then we can use for protractor for inner side and outer side. Inner side means right side, outer side means left side. Okay, this is the angle. Now we can learn about types of an angle. What we can learn? We can learn about types of an angle. Now see here, acute angle. Types of an angle what? Acute angle. Acute angle means less than 45 degrees. This is less than 90 degrees. See here, acute angle always will be like this. Okay, that would be less than 90 degrees only. Okay, here point A, point O, point B. Okay, always acute angle less than 90 degrees. Okay, 45, 55, 65, 80, you can keep like this. Okay, like this you can measure by using your protractors, and then you can write what type of an angle. Then right angle. After that, right angle. Right angle is always 90 degrees. Right angle is always 90 degrees. See here. Always it look like a L shape only. Okay. See here. Acute angle means like this. And then right angle triangle means like this. Always exactly in 90 degrees. Exactly 90 degrees. Now you understand, no? Is there any doubts regarding this? Is there any doubts? Okay, you don't have. Okay, well and good. If anybody have any doubt, please raise your hand and tell me. Okay, and then what is an obtuse angle? Obtuse angle means it has greater than 90 degrees. Greater than 90 degrees. Always it would be greater than 90 degrees. 90 degrees means how it look like. See here, like this. Okay, always it look like this. Like this, 120, above 120, 135, 150, 180, up to you can write it. Okay. Then last one more angle, straight angle. What is that? Straight angle. Straight angle always what you have? 180 degrees like this. Straight it will be 180 degrees. Already I told no, degrees we will represent it like this. Okay. See, obtuse angle will be like this and then straight angle would be like this. So this is the topic what you have learned today. We will do some quick recapitulation. Okay, what is the learning outcomes you have learned today means what is a geometry, what is the different types of geometry, and then what is an angle, different types of an angle. Thank you.